Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the exact place you will change font size so you focus on the right controls. Once you know the app or system, open its appearance or text settings and scan for font size, zoom, or accessibility. If you prefer a quick route, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl++ or Ctrl+-. These adjust view size immediately. Make sure to note whether changes apply only to the current document, current tab, or system-wide so you don't adjust the wrong scope. Now change the actual value with precision so text looks consistent and readable. Enter a specific number like 12 or 16, or choose a percent such as 125% for uniform scaling across content. For web work, adjust CSS using rem or em units tied to the root font size so elements scale predictably. Once you change HTML font size, 100% you can control sizing relative to that base. For system-wide needs, modify display scaling or DPI so all apps complete the change by applying settings and reviewing several pages or documents so you confirm consistency. Once done, check headings, buttons, and wrap text to ensure nothing overlaps. If layout breaks, switch to relative units like rem or em and tweak line height for better flow. Make sure to restart the app when a change doesn't appear immediately. If things still go wrong, clear cache, reset zoom with Ctrl+0, or restore default font size to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.